All right, so let's get started. We're going to go over some of the exercises that I gave you last week, okay? But first, let's talk about the first conditional. Can you, do I need to, tell me if I need to move one or something. Okay, first conditional. Let's look at this sentence. Let's see, Cesar, can you read this sentence for me?
If I study for the test, I will get a good grade.
Okay, so this is what we call a conditional. We call it a conditional because, look, the condition is studying, okay? If I do something, and then the outcome is good grade, right? And the explanation is studying makes it probable, makes it likely that you get a good grade, right? So this is a condition of this. So without this, without study, you don't get a good grade, right? Let's look at the second sentence. Ramon, can you read this one?
If you don't work, you will not eat.
Okay. What is the condition?
Working.
Working.
And
What is the outcome? Eat. 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 Okay. The explanation is that working makes it possible for you to eat. Let's see, who else is there? Miguel, can you read this one?
If they forget to water the plant, they will
Die.
die.
Die. All right, so the condition, okay, for the plants to die, the condition must be for you to forget to water them, right? So for the outcome, you have a condition. If I'm late for work again, I will have to work for another job, right? If I don't want to look for another job, then that means that this cannot happen.
Yeah.
Because if this happens, this is the result, right? If this happens, this is the result.
Good day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just look at this word, and I think we have covered words that begin with S. Remember, sometimes we tend to add an E. We say study, but it's not study, it's
Study.
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 Yes.
Study.
Yes. Study.
Study.
So resist the urge to add an E. Okay. How about this one?
School.
School. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Notice that it's not a school. It's
School.
school. How about this one?
Stop.
Stop. Perfect. Nice. How about
See.
C?
See.
C. Stop. School. Oh, here's a good one.
Spanish.
Cesar, what is this word?
Spanish.
Yes, Miguel?
Spanish.
Yes, very good. Because there's no E here, right? There's only an S. So we pronounce the S. Spanish, stop, school. Okay? Agree?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So practice words that begin with S, because we Latinos tend to add an E when it's not there. Okay?
It's no matter if the words start with S, no matter if it's capital or What is the
or lowercase?
Lowercase?
It doesn't matter.
No matter, yes.
Just the sound.
Okay.
All right. So now we're going to do the exercises from week before last, before I went on vacation. Welcome, Alejandro.
Hello, teacher.
Do you have your packets from a week before last week?
No, teacher.
You didn't bring it?
No, because two weeks the vacation now.
That's what I thought. But here I am. Because you guys did really well on the test, so we want to continue with your classes so that you continue to make progress. Okay? I was supposed to be gone 2 weeks, and then Jim told me this morning, see you later. And I said, what? All right. So we will do these next week then. Okay? So bring them because the exercises are about the first conditional.
Conditional.
Okay? All right, then. Let's move on and do something else.
Okay, this is next week.
Next week. We will do that next week. Let me erase this. Okay, so today I gave you this packet, which also has to do with the first conditional. Look at the first picture, number 1.
Rain.
What kind of day is that? It's a rainy day, right?
Rainy day.
It's rainy. Rainy. Number 2 is
Sunny.
sunny.
Or
Sunny.
Sunny.
Sunny. Yes, very good, Ramon. And number 3,
Snowy. Snow.
is it snowy? Yes.
Is two is snowy.
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 Very good. All right. So look at this. If it's raining tomorrow, I will take an umbrella.
Okay.
Right? If
If
it's rainy tomorrow, I will take an umbrella. Only if it's rainy, right? All right. So if you look at the pictures, what is number 4?
umbrella.
Is an umbrella. Okay. How about number 5?
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Yes. So we said number 1 is rainy, rainy, sunny, and snowy. And then number 6,
Scarf.
scarf. 7,
Coat or jacket.
I think it's a raincoat.
Raincoat.
It looks to me like a raincoat, but I don't know. What do you think? It has a hood,
Yeah, looks like a
right? It has a
raincoat.
hood, so it looks like a rain jacket or raincoat. What is number 8? T-shirt?
Long, no sleeves. I don't know what it is.
What is that? What do you think it is, Cesar? What's number 8? How about Which one? How, how about a shirt? Let's call it a shirt. It's more like a t-shirt, but how about 9?
Gloves, snow gloves.
Gloves.
Okay. Gloves. 10.
Rain boots.
Yes, sir. Rain boots. Rain boots. What else? 11.
Sandals.
Sandals. I think I'm still on vacation mode. Number 12. Those are just boots, right? I think.
Yeah, working.
Work.
No, it's hiking boots or something like
Hiking shoes or
Oh, yeah.
boots, snow boots. Okay. 13 is watch TV. 14 is
Oh, the 14?
14.
Look at like a lake or river or the sea.
It does, huh? What do you think it is, Alejandro? Now.
Okay.
All right.
Teacher,
Yes.
yo necesito salir, no puedo quedar hoy,
Okay.
porque pensé que no iba a haber clases, entonces tengo cosas que hacer. La escuela de mi hijo.
Okay. What did you say, Caesar? I didn't understand you.
English. English.
What happened?
Speaking English. I need go to the school, my dog.
Okay. So you have to leave early
I need
to leave
leave early.
because
To leave early.
because
Because
I have to go
I have to go
to my son's school.
to my son's school.
Remember? School.
School.
Perfect.
School.
Okay, that's fine. What time do you need to leave?
Now,
Now? Okay. Take your packet and study because we will finish it next week, okay? And bring your other packet.
okay.
Okay. See you later.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Where do you think you're going?
This is what happened, John. I told them I would be gone for 2 weeks. So they were not expecting class today. And then Jim said this morning, he said, see you, and I said, am I having class today? And he said, yeah. I needed a week vacation and a week to recover. Okay, so my apologies. I did tell you 2 weeks, and that's why they were thinking that we had no class. But surprise, we have class.
We have test last week too.
You had test? You had a test?
I don't know what is my qualification.
I think you got a good grade. I don't remember, but I know that some people got really good grades. Everybody got a good grade. You know why? Because it's better than it was when we started.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you guys are at different levels. Caesar is a different level. Francisco was at different level. Jaime is a different level. So, but you all made progress. Do you understand?
Yes.
You don't have the same grade, but you have a better grade
Like before,
than,
because
yeah.
Before I don't know writing. Now I have idea how.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes I.
You have made progress, yeah. And now you're thinking about the tense, like, okay, am I talking about last week or tomorrow, right? The past, the
Yes.
present, the future, the present progressive, right? And I know you do because you were telling me, Ramon. So, anyway, okay. So let's go to page number 2.
Teacher, excuse me,
Yes.
what was the last one? Can you write, please?
Um,
The number 18.
18 is sledding. I think that's a sled. So the little boy is sledding.
Can you write it, please?
I think I can. 2Ds? Sledding. Yeah, sledding.
Thank you.
Think. Vacation mode, my brain. I left my brain in Nogales
Oh. With the family.
with the family. All right, so is it 2Ds? So number 1, look at the word in parentheses and it says, what will he do if it's rainy? And the answer is, if it's rainy, he'll take an umbrella. He'll take an umbrella, or he will take an umbrella, right? An umbrella. Okay, Miguel, can you do number 2?
What will you do if I snow? If it snows, you take you work good.
Okay, so look at this. Wear. I will wear. When we put something on our body, like a sweater, like pants,
Shoes too.
shoes, then you wear.
Okay.
Okay. Glasses. You wear glasses. Okay. I wear shoes. I wear clothes every day.
Teacher,
Right? Yes.
then también se puede usar take.
Take. Well, take. This is the difference, Alejandro. Okay. Look. I will wear my shoes. I put them on, okay? Now look, I will take my shoes. Do you understand? So if you take your shoes, you take them maybe in your bag or in your backpack, but if you wear them, you put them on,
Already. Yeah.
okay? So wear, I am wearing shoes. I wear my shoes. I wear a winter coat when it's very, very cold outside, right?
Yes.
What do you wear when you go to the beach?
Short and sandals. I wear short and sandals.
Shorts and sandals? Very good. So number 2 would be, what will you do if it snows tomorrow? And you say, I will wear snow boots
Snow.
if it snows, right? Or if it's snowy.
Pieces.
You can say it different ways. Number 3, Miguel. Sorry, Alejandro.
What will we do if it is sunny? If it is sunny, we will go to beach.
We will go to the beach. Perfect. If it's sunny, we will go to the beach. Very good. Ramon, number 4.
What will they doing if it's snowing? If it's snowing, they go to the
They
skis.
will. They will
They will
go
go to the
skiing.
area. So it's
Yeah. Number 5, Miguel.
What will she do if it's sunny?
What will she wear?
What will she wear
Where?
if it's well,
Where? Where?
well,
Like this, look. Oh, can they see me? What will she wear if it's sunny? What will she wear if it's sunny?
what will she wear if it's sunny?
Perfect. If it's sunny,
If it's sunny,
where
she'll
wear
well,
a t-shirt. Yeah, a t-shirt. Right?
t-shirt.
Yeah. This word is like this. Wear. Wear. You see it? That would be the pronunciation. What will you wear? Wear. What will you wear tomorrow? It almost sounds like wear, right? It almost sounds like this one, but it's different. This one is, where did you put it? Where did you put it? And this one doesn't have the H, so it's just where. I will wear a fancy dress for the party, right? If it's sunny tomorrow, I will wear a t-shirt. If it's snowy tomorrow, I will wear snow boots, right? Okay. How about number 6, Alejandro?
What will she do if running? If it is running, she like read.
She will read a book.
She will read a book.
Okay. Number 1, Miguel. What will he do if it's rainy?
Number 1.
Yes. What will he do if it's rainy?
If it's raining, he'll take an umbrella.
Okay. Number 2, Alejandro. What will you do if it's snowy?
If it is snowing, you will wear a boot.
One boot or boots?
And boots.
Boots. Okay. Number 3, Ramon. What will we do if it's sunny?
if it's sunny, I
What will we do if
Oh,
it's
we.
sunny?
if it's sunny, we wear a short and we go to the
We will go to the beach.
we go to the
We will go to the
we
beach.
will
Go to the beach.
go to
Okay. Number 4, Miguel. What will they do if it's snowy?
If it's snowing, we'll go to the ski.
They will, yeah, they will go skiing. Number 5, Alejandro, what will she wear if it's sunny?
If it's sunny, she will wear she
A t-shirt? Ramon, what will she do if it's rainy?
If it is raining, she need wear a raincoat.
Number 6,
So,
what will she do if it's rainy?
if it's raining, she wear a raincoat.
She will read a book. See?
She read a book.
She will read a book.
She will read
Right.
a book.
Perfect. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Now, because we're not working in partners, we're going to do the work alone portion of this page. Okay? What will Ken do if it's rainy tomorrow?
If it's raining tomorrow, we can wear coats.
Okay. Another thing that you can do is look at the picture right here. See Ken? This is Ken, right? So Ken will watch TV, right? What will Ken do if it's rainy tomorrow? If it's rainy tomorrow, Ken will watch TV. Okay, let's do that again. What will Ken do if it's rainy tomorrow?
If it is raining tomorrow, we can watch TV.
No, Ken
Ken
will
will
watch TV.
TV.
Okay. How about number 2? Miguel, will Jen watch TV if it's rainy tomorrow? So let me tell you how this works. Yes. Yes.
all the papers are the same.
All the paper what? The same? Yes.
Yeah.
They're the same.
All the papers.
Yeah, they're the same. It's easier. It's easier this way. So look at this. Number 2, will Jen watch TV if it's raining tomorrow? If we look at the row where Jen is, no, she will not watch TV. She will wear rain boots. Okay, because this is what Jen does, and this is what Ken does. The empty squares mean that they don't, right? All right. So number 2, Miguel. Will Jen watch TV if it's rainy tomorrow? And if not, what will she do? If it's rainy tomorrow,
She
If it's raining tomorrow,
she will not
she will wear
boots.
the book,
Yes, rain boots.
rain book,
Yes,
a rain book.
yes. Perfect. Number 3, Ramon. What will Jen do if it's sunny tomorrow?
If it is sunny tomorrow, Jen can wear sandals.
Yes, Jen will wear sandals. Yes,
Everything I forgot
will. Because it's a conditional.
Yeah.
Remember that if this happens, then this will happen. Okay. Number 4, Miguel, who will wear mitts or gloves? Mitts is the same as gloves if it's snowy tomorrow. Who will wear mitts if it's snowy tomorrow? Look at the mitts, what we called gloves. Do you see them? See? Gloves, mitts. Mitts is the same. Let me tell you the difference between gloves and mittens. Mittens have no fingers. Okay, just one thumb. Those are mittens. Like babies they wear mittens. Gloves have fingers, have 5 fingers. Those are gloves. So if you look at these are not gloves, they're mitts or mittens.
The answer will be, teacher,
Yes,
the answer will be Jim.
yes, because
Jim
the mitts,
will wear. Jim will wear the meat if it's will tomorrow.
yes, good, very good. Okay, Alejandro, what will Ken do if it's snowy tomorrow?
No. If snow tomorrow and will come lady.
Yes, he will go sledding. Good. This is a little bit challenging, but it's important, okay? We use it all the time. For example, if you have problems, ask me. If you cannot come next week, you need to tell me, right? Okay. All right. Now, I have some words for you because today I gave you something to read, and we're not going to have time, I don't think, to read it all, but it's about George Washington. This is a little bit challenging. Do you understand challenging? If I say this reading is challenging.
No, I don't understand.
Challenging is another word for difficult or hard. Okay? So we need to read it slowly in one paragraph at a time because it is challenging.
Okay.
It's challenging because we're on a different level. We're not beginners anymore. We're intermediate, right? So as we learn more and more, as we make progress, our reading will get a little bit more challenging, a little bit harder, okay? But that's okay because it's good practice. So we'll do what we can today, but we're not going to have a lot of time. Okay, plantation is the first word. Plantation. And then we have another word that is crop. You know what plantation is?
It looks like one field with land, with a flower,
Yes.
something like that.
Yes,
Plantation.
it's a place or a piece of land where you plant,
Okay.
right? That's a plantation. Crop.
Crop, like something no good, something.
Oh, you're thinking with A. Crop.
No.
Yeah. That's good though, Ramon. You're thinking. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, crop. Crop, I guess in Spanish would be like cosecha,
Oh, cosecha.
right? Yeah, crop. So you have crops in a plantation, right? I don't think they call them plantation anymore, but in the time of George Washington, they had plantations, okay? Like a field, okay? So plantation and crop. This is what you get from here,
Plantation.
right? This is a land where you plant. And this is what you get
When it's
when it grows. You can have a crop of coffee. What else? Corn,
corn,
beans.
beans,
What else?
trigo, ¿cómo se dice trigo?
Wheat.
Wheat.
You can do barley. You can also do fruit.
Yeah.
You can do fruit. You can do tomatoes. Okay. All right. Now here's more word. I think we'll do the vocabulary today, and we will do the reading next week. Okay. So make sure you write down plantation and crop. And planter. Surveyor. Surveyor. Regulation. Oop. Regulation. Colonist. Leader. We've seen this word before. Troops. Officer. Soldier. So a planter is a person that owns a plantation.
Planter is the owner.
Yes. So the planter, or is the person that has the plantation. Maybe the owner of the plantation. Okay. Has plantation. That's a planter. A surveyor is someone who has the job of measuring land. A surveyor measures the meters in your house or your land, your property, okay? When they do maps, they survey, they measure, they measure. Do you understand measure?
Yes.
Miguel, do you understand measure?
Measure,
Yes.
entonces, take like Measure.
Medir?
Yeah.
Yes, measure. So a surveyor measures land. Okay? Measures uh, someone who measures land. This is an A. Regulation. We know what regulation is, right? Regulation. Regulation is something like a rule. A rule. So if you have regulations, you have rules, right? Colonist, do you know what colonist is?
Yes.
What is a colonist?
It's like when a group of the people have a land and live together. Colony.
It's a person who's a member of a colony, right? Member of a colony. There you go. How about leader? We know this one.
A leader for the colony or the city or something like that.
Okay. Who is the leader in the United States?
I think Trump.
Donald Trump,
Donald Trump.
because he is the president. So he is the leader. How about in Mexico? Who's the leader of the Mexican government?
Right is Peña Nieto. The king is the mafia.
La mafia is the leader in Mexico?
This is the mafia.
Yeah, well, you could say that because they have a lot of power, right? But let's say that is Peña Nieto because he's the president. Supposedly, he's supposed to be the leader, right? And remember, there are good leaders and bad leaders, right? Okay, so we know what that is. Troops, what is troops?
Tropas like people ready for fights or for protect something.
Troops. It's a group of soldiers.
Army.
Yeah, group of soldiers. Army. Yeah, you are correct. What is an officer?
Policemen or
What did you say?
like police or like something have rules for the law.
Yes.
Officer, respect the law.
Uh-huh. It's a person in a position of authority in the army. Okay, and soldier. Someone who fights as part of the army. That's a soldier. Okay? An officer, we know what that is, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so next week, we're going to read George Washington. If you want to practice at home, you have your reading here. So start reading because next week, I'm going to ask you to read paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and 3. Okay? So bring this next week and remember your words because these words are in here.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Jenna.
Bye-bye.